Weche mag arita kwe to kod weche maiye mano Dr. Fred Matiangi koro osigone lwasi mar kwe dhi siko e pachoka kata mana e kindego mag yiero. Matiangi olero ni kik jo Kenya bed kod luoro moro amora ni mar gidhi tiyo machiegni to kod duol mang'iyo weche mag yiero IEBC eneno ni koro yiero no obedo mar kwe. Noloso bang' ka en oromo kod riwruog kembe mag ji giwegi riwruok mar KEPSA ma ojiwo mondo koro odhi adhiya nyime gi yaro bedegi kaachiel kod tero mwandu gi kamoro amora ma gidwaro nikech arita kwe koro nitiere e yo makare.
I've been part and parcel of how we move forward. We've had a fantastic time with the private sector, and on my own behalf and on behalf of my colleagues in government, I would like to thank them very sincerely because we worked together. We don't have the time to go back like we have done this morning, reflecting on how we worked together with the private sector in the war against COVID-19, how we have worked together with them when we have had challenges of one kind or the other, and how we are going to work together to confront whatever challenges we have to deal with in the lead up to the general elections, including food prices, the cost of fuel, and so on, and moving goods and services across the country. So we are at a good place because of the decisions we have made and the counsel we have received from our colleagues in the private sector. Mine is to assure everyone, again, on behalf of the executive branch of government, that our country is secure and safe, and that we are ready to support the IEBC to conduct the general elections. That no one needs to worry about anything. I have just asked this morning the private sector colleagues to continue making their orders, to continue making their business plans, expanding their businesses, because our country is secure and our country is safe. We will have a peaceful elections. We have no evidence whatsoever from across the country because we are engaging on a daily basis. Sometimes we have come to a point of engaging almost on an hourly basis with the structures of administration and security across the country.